Hi everybody, it's Julie and I am here to bind the July VIP journal. So if you haven't seen the kit, we have Fairies of Summer. This is the cover that I made. It is wallpaper with the one of the cards from the wallet, some cheesecloth, some lace, and on the inside some of the wallpaper, some vellum, and some cardstock scrapbook paper there. And then over here I have my journal that we made during the VIP. It is a list journal, and I just want to quickly go through and make sure that pages are, where they should be. So let's go ahead and tap it down. Okay, and then there's, okay, so that's inside, meaning that they're up higher. Okay, that's fine. Okay, it's several pages. It's very, very, very chunky. I did add lace here and lace there, and I will do a full flip through tomorrow for the video. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and find the center. The center is the little gnome here. Go ahead and pull this over. I'm just gonna find myself I probably have a 5-hole pamphlet stitch template. There we go. I'll go ahead and grab our... So I did reinforce between the two pieces here. I did put in some of the gauze, the bandage that we've been using. I've been using that for quite a while. It was gifted to me, and I put it in. I don't put it in straight. I put it in kind of at an angle, so figuring that the pieces would have to wear out differently rather than in a straight line. I just because a list journal is I expect that it will be opened and closed more than just a regular, I should say open and closed and used throughout. Okay, so after that last one, that was, those daisies were so easy to bind, you know that this one's going to be different because it's going to be thicker. Okay, I am going to go ahead and just get my start here with the 5 holes. Then I'll take my template out. Okay, so, and I'll put it back where it goes so it's there for me next time. Okay, and we can go back to regular thread. So put our rainbow thread aside, back to regular. Go 1, 2, 3, and a little extra. There we go. And put the rainbow one on the bottom now. I was looking for the gold. I don't see it, or I think the gold might have been kind of fun to have for this. So I have one spot going all the way through. I'm going to go ahead and try and get in it. Well, there you go. It said no. Already moved. Okay. Go ahead and there we go. Pull it through. We're going to go up to the next one. Okay, this one's going to come from the outside. back through, just like that. Woohoo! And then we'll come here. Go back down. Okay. Let's go ahead and put this one through. Okay. And let's see how we did here. See if we're stuck on anything. I have a feeling we are. Oh, just a little. Okay, so we're good. Okay, let's pull this one over that way, and I'm going to come in on this side. That's just to, it just makes life so much easier. Probably won't catch on that one by doing it that way. Okay, now come down to the next one. This works for me really well when I'm doing single signatures, to just put the holes in as I go. I have discovered that I like doing it like this. I have less problems with the holes not matching up. I say that and then that happens. Okay. There we go. And one more. Okay. Then back through the hole. Make sure we're nice and tight. Nice and tight. And we'll go ahead and tie this. Double knot it, double tie. There we go. And dun da da da. I forgot to check. Oh well. Binding kit put away. Clean out my drawer where my buttons and sequins and binding kit are. Okay, so this is this journal, and so the next thing I'll do is go through and make sure that the pages will stay, and I call it breaking the paper. Okay, so I'm putting each page down, and then I'll go ahead and pull it. Okay, it just makes it more user-friendly, I think. And so I'm going to be doing that, and then tomorrow we are going to do just a little bit more to this. This journal will be for sale in the Dear Julie Etsy shop. It's a list journal, so $39.95. So with your diamond or emerald 10% off coupon, that would make it $35.95. Okay, plus shipping. And what we do is we'll just we'll make you a special order in the Etsy shop, And so there you go. You guys get first dibs, and then this will be announced for sale tomorrow in the video tomorrow. So if one of you doesn't pick it up, then it will be for sale there. Okay, so there we go. And I'm just, again, continuing to break the pages. Tomorrow we will do some stenciling, possibly some stamping, and also I will go ahead and finish gluing up some of the, like the pockets and stuff. And I'll add some signature ties, and we'll add a closure. So that will all happen tomorrow. And that will be at 10:30 Pacific Standard Time, our regular premiere video. And I will also be showing the full digital kit. And so, by the way, this is what we made in the VIP for July. So those that finished the July challenge, they were invited, and this is what we made. And it's not super, I mean, there is a lot going on in here, but it's not a lot of embellishing on the embellishments. We let the digital do the embellishing for the most part so far. So yeah, so I'd love to know what your favorite is. If you saw, this is something new. We have bookmarks, large bookmarks, and I think they're going to be a lot of fun, especially for these smaller pockets. And so yeah, we have two new things that I'll be adding to kits. We'll have bookmarks, and we will have the medium tags. So I think that's kind of cool. I love this with the little double pocket back here, and another bookmark. Okay, so that is that. There we go. And this is like a vinyl wallpaper, so I think it's really turned out really cool. There you go. And how was that for a bind? One of the best binds ever. Yeah, I'm thinking about using these stamps, these Dollar Tree stamps in here. I think that, you know, they might be kind of cool in here. I'm gonna go look at my stamps, and I know I have fairy stamps, so, but I kind of want to be kind of picky about the fairy stamps that I use in here, so we'll see. Okay, so there you go. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.